Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add phone number in Gate.io. So for this purpose, first you need to launch Gate.io mobile application on your mobile device. Then just log into your account on your mobile phone. Then you can see this type of page will appear on your screen. Here at the top left corner you have your profile icon, click on it. Once you click on profile icon, this type of page will appear. Here at the top you can see your user ID. At the front of it you have this small arrow, just tap on it. Now you are here in this user center. Here you have three options: profile, security and preferences. Here you just need to tap on security and you just have to scroll down and you find the option of phone number, just click on it. Then this type of page will appear. Here at the top you have the option of select country, just click on it. Then here you can see some different countries and areas, just choose yours. Now come back to this page and here you find the option of enter phone number to be linked. So just here you need to enter your phone number. Then under this you have the option of please input SMS code. At the front of it you find the option of send, just click on it. Then here they give some verification to you. For just verification, just complete it. Once you complete verification successfully, they will be sent code to your phone number which you have added. Now if you get code on your phone number which you have added, just enter it here. And under this you have the option of please input email code. At the front of it you have the button of send, just tap on it. Then in these two boxes you need to enter the SMS code and email code. Once you enter these two codes, you can see your phone number is added to Gate.io. So this way you can easily add phone number in Gate.io. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.